ever wondered if there's a list that you can see all the comments that you have ever made on Instagram? Or maybe you hand your phone to your niece or nephew or your child or something, and you want to check later if they have left any inappropriate messages anywhere, inappropriate comments anywhere. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to see all the comments that you have left. There are actually two distinctive ways you can see all the comments you have left on Instagram. The first one is the first one and the best way actually is heading over to your profile. You want to tap on these three lines at the top right in order to find settings. And here you see one option that says your activity. You want to tap on that, and here the second one says comments. You want to tap on that. And as you can see, it shows all the comments I have ever left down to day 1. For example, you see this one is for 6 years ago. Now, if you don't want to do that, there's also another way, but that way you can only see the recent comments you have left. You want to tap on this home button, and up here on the right, you have this heart button. And here you can actually select to see which notifications, and if you tap on comments, you can see if other people have actually liked a comment you have left, or maybe they have replied to your comment, or other people who have just left comments on your posts. So this is the second way. Hope this helps. And please let me know in the comment section if you have any more ways to find all the comments we have left.